I'm Alex Denverno, founder of Prestige Maintenance USA. This is my wife, she's co-founder. And we started this business back in 1976. The reason was we thought there was an opportunity to bring a professionalism to a business that is not considered in a professional realm.
Alex has always been a very entrepreneurial person, starting businesses from the ground up.
We branched out and started hiring people, but I felt this was going to be a successful business, so I wanted to get my children involved. And at their young age, and back in that generation, I didn't really give them a choice. It was that they were just going to do it. They had to go to work. They got paid, but I demanded more of them. And I think as they were teenagers and young adults, it really rubbed off and they just took over. They just started flying. And even the employees are family. And they have that family culture in our business, and it's working, and we want to keep it that way.
Well, Prestige Maintenance started way before Isaiah, my grandson, was even born. And it's so amazing to have him in the business now. And what I really appreciate about it too is that he was raised, and all his home, everything that he had came from this company, how his father raised him. And I really appreciate now that he can see the sacrifice, the hard work that his dad put into this company.
I'm Rachel Sanchez, CEO of Prestige Maintenance USA. I'm honored to be a second-generation business owner. I had the opportunity to work alongside my parents and learn the business from the front lines. Our purpose is simple but powerful: right people, reliable experience, and it guides everything that we do every single day. Our core values are what we refer to as the 4 R's: to be respectful, responsive, reliable, and results-driven. These core values are the foundation of our company. It's how we continue to serve and how we grow the organization.
Hi, my name is Jason Denverno. I'm the Chief Experience Officer at Prestige Maintenance USA. We've been around since 1976, so through our renewal process every couple of years with our certifications, it helps to make sure that we're staying current on all changing regulations and industry innovations so that we can provide our clients the best of service.
Hi, my name is Otis Scott, the VP of People Experience here at Prestige Maintenance USA. We here at Prestige strive to be part of the communities in which we work in. So we are the type of company that if you need us, we will be there. If you need us to deliver in terms of resources, we will try our best to be there. We are a company that just loves to be present in the communities, present in the cities, not just by resources, but also by time. So if you need us, we will be there to deliver.
Hi, I am Mary Martin, and I am Vice President of Solutions Experience here at Prestige. We serve industries large and small, and the different facilities that we clean include big box retailers, manufacturing plants. We clean distribution centers and fulfillment centers. We clean private schools and church campuses, as well as medical offices and clinics. And last but not least, we do commercial office buildings.
Hi, I'm Isaiah Denverno. I'm the Regional Business Development Manager here in Dallas, DFW area. I'm the 3rd generation with Prestige Maintenance USA. My grandparents started the company with a vision 47 years ago, and my dad and aunt run the business now. For me, it's a very humbling experience to be 3rd generation, just to be able to see the vision that my grandparents created, what my dad and aunt have done, and then for me to step into that new role, continue that out. I think that speaks volumes to our customers that we're going out to bid with. I think it's a safety and a reassurance for our employees to know that we've been a family business for not 1, 2, but going on 3 generations. And I think that motivates them to want to work here and be a part of the team. As a 3rd generation, for the future, I think the biggest thing that we want to have is, one, we want to keep our core principles. We've gotten here for a reason, and for the future, I want to expand our imprint in different sectors. If you're looking for a maintenance company, a company that you can trust, who's results driven and who has been there not only in the past, but will continue to be there for you now and in the future, give us a call.